Hey guys, it's Reese. Welcome back to the channel. So, I did just realize that I ran into a problem this weekend, and because of that, um, I'm probably gonna have to more than likely do both live streams today. So yeah, meaning that technically instead of a separate live being on Saturday or Sunday, I'm gonna have to do both parts today. So it'll just be a slightly longer live. And another reason why it's longer, I have 6 cars to unbox before the actual racing part happens. So yeah. This was not expected to happen in the live, but, surprise, it's a bonus special part of the live, and who doesn't like an unboxing before a fun diecast cars racing event? I know a lot of people will, especially given the fact these are all 2022 F-Case cars, showing up at Walmart and Target stores. I know other Walmart or Target stores in other parts of USA, like Florida, California, and other states in those areas, or not too far from those states, are getting 2022 F and G case right now. So, yeah. Um, just check every day. You'll never know what you find in stores. So yeah, that's what I do. And I wasn't expecting to find these there today, and they were. Anyways, that's it for this preview of the cars I'm unboxing in the live. Bye. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great rest of your weekend.